Welcome to this lesson. Today we're gonna draw this simple illustration. We're gonna use only one brush and one color. Now let's get started. The first thing here is to pick the brush, go to sketching and pick 6B pencil. Now on size make it to 100%. Select the color to black and this will be the brush. Now you can zoom in a little bit, not too much, and start with one simple straight line here in the center. See, I'm doing it wavy like this because that gives a very organic feel. I don't try to make the perfect straight line, but instead I'm doing it like this, simple wavy line. Now I will adjust my canvas like this. And let's begin drawing the tent. It will be very easy. We need just to draw here one triangle. So, on the left side, draw one simple triangle. That's it. Now, let's continue this line here. From this position to this position, just a simple straight line. That's it. And now create the same line like this one, but on the right. This will be for the tent. Now we need to draw two more elements for this lesson. One tree and one sun. Let's begin with the tree. The tree will be very tall, around here. So start from this position here. Simple straight line. Zoom in a little bit. And just strokes like this. Don't aim to draw a straight line like this. If you want, you can do it, of course. But on my style, I like to keep things very loose like this, with simple curvy lines. I will leave the tree like this. Leave some space down here. And now let's draw and the sun. So just a simple circle. Again, don't try to be perfect. Now let's draw in the details. Curvy lines, one here, one here. See? And now and this curves. One detail here, and we're ready, and with the sun. Now, this will be for this drawing. If you want to center it now, just click the arrow here and place it at the center. You can make it bigger, smaller. I will leave it like this. And this will be for our simple illustration of tent and tree.